Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this gorgeous look to share with you, and I'm also going to be using some brand new ShopMissA items, new to their site and just fairly new in general, new to me as well. And this is the first look from the Southern Charm collection that they released. There's 4 eyeshadow trios. The one I'm going to share with you today is in Honeysuckle, and it's absolutely gorgeous, and using other new ShopMissA makeup. First off, I prime my eyes with Profusion eyeshadow primer, and under the eyes I put some powder from Hard Candy to catch fallout. Here is the trio in Honeysuckle, and it's from their Southern Charm collection. There's some pretty swatches. This trio is probably one of my favorites. I have 2 favorites. It's this one and the next look that you'll see in the next tutorial. The shadows are kind of powdery and bring up a lot of kick up in the pan, but in this particular trio there's not a lot of fallout on the face, which is nice. So I'm just kind of pressing that and sweeping it at the same time in the crease. And once that's done, I'm taking the shimmery brown. And the first shade I use is like a mustardy yellow golden shade, and it's matte. This is a dark shimmery brown, and it's beautiful and stunning, and these apply so nicely. They blend very easily together. This eyeshadow formula and these particular trios are actually really nice. They are only $1 as well. So once I have the outer corner placed, I'm going to blend a little bit, and they just blend I'm so impressed. Now the golden yellow shade in the palette, I'm going to apply that with an eyeshadow brush to the lid. And first I'm going to kind of press that and kind of drag that onto the lid, and that is going to eliminate some of the fallout by pressing it, and it just is absolutely stunning. I think this look is perfect for fall or summer. I love this kind of look any time of the year. It's stunning, absolutely stunning. So once I have the outer corner, the lid, and the crease blent, I'm going to go in with the new AOA Studio Venetian Romance Creamy Eyeshadow and Betrothed. And here is a swatch of this coming up, and it is so beautiful. This is supposed to be a dupe for ColourPop's Flexitarian. I don't own that, so I don't know that for sure, but I'm putting this in the inner corner. And on this day, I also didn't film it, but I do have this as a highlight on my cheeks, nose, and Cupid's bow, and on the chin. It's so pretty. I did tone it down a bit because it can be loud very fast. It's a multifunction used eyeshadow. Now for the brow, I'm just using the NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin to blend down the brow area and the crease. I'll go back in with some more of the matte mustardy yellow shade and blend that in with the brow bone as well, so we can get a seamless blend there. And I'm going to wipe away my fallout. Once I have the fallout gone, I'm going to take the shimmery brown on the outer corner of the lower lash line, the golden shimmery shade in the center of the lower lash line, and then the matte in the inner corner, and blend in with the creamy shadow we used from that Venetian Romance line. So that was WetnWild Breakup eyeliner, and this is a eyeliner I got from Temu in a yellow, and I'm going to use the matte mustardy yellow in the palette to set that in the waterline. If you've never done that and you're new to setting your eyeshadow or your liners with powder, it might burn a little bit, but it will go away. This also wing eyeliner and liner set I got from Temu as well. This thing is great. It's very black, it's easy to use, super easy way to apply a wing eyeliner. And once I am done with that, I'm going to take this AOA Studio Eyes on Me liquid eyeliner in Yolo, which is this matte yellow. I'm going to apply a layer of that above the black eyeliner. And it's okay if you mess up a little bit, because you can take your black eyeliner once the yellow is dried and just fix it. From AOA Studio, they're lash adhesive, and these lashes are from Shein, and they are beautiful cat eye style fluffy lashes. Absolutely stunning. Easy to apply, and $3. I used a layer of the Ioni mascara to mesh my real lashes with the false lashes, and I'm using the LaColors Nude Glam lip gloss. And isn't this stunning? Such a beautiful look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Found it helpful, and we'll try the look out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more eyeshadow tutorials coming on the rest of the Southern Charm collection and other AOA Studio items. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.